Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vig and I'm here to give you a pick a card reading today. So, in today's reading, we are going to focus on what energy or what blockage do you need to release to manifest more growth. Okay, like I feel that sometimes we really need to release certain things or situations so that we can move forward in a more positive manner. So I'm going to begin your reading now. All you need to do to receive your reading is choose from these cards or these numbers. You can choose this card or the number 1. You can choose the number 2 or the number 3. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin the reading now. So for those who have chosen the number 1, I am just getting this message that you need to release this energy of self doubt and uh, of undermining yourself. I feel that sometimes maybe you really doubt your skills, your worth, and I think that certain people around you maybe take advantage of that. Like when you start doubting yourself, your skills, I think some people might misuse that, and they might influence you in the wrong way. So I really feel that to manifest growth, abundance, to clear your blockages, you really need to work on your self-worth. You can even practice like some affirmations that I'm worthy of good things, I'm worthy of love. Like I do feel that you need to work on your self-worth and self-confidence more. Even the color green, I don't know, it seems very lucky to me for people who have chosen the number 1. So I hope that you could relate to this message. I'm going to move on to number 2. And for people who have chosen the number 2, like I feel that you need to release a lot of unrealistic expectations that you either have with certain people or that you have kept with yourself. Like I'm just getting this be real card. So this is making me feel that it's not like I think that you should be very real about who you are as a person. Like this card is just making me feel like you need to be true to yourself first, and then certain things or manifestations that you have been waiting for will clear. I don't know why, but I'm sensing like a lot of financial blockages or career blockages from people who have chosen this card or this number. And I do feel that you need to be more authentic in your approach to attract the right opportunities for you. Like I feel that if you keep on doing things to impress other people or to make other people happy, then you will not align with your highest energy. Or if you keep on complaining about where you are instead of focusing on where you can be, I don't think that you will attract the right sort of abundance and the opportunities. So I'm just getting this message that you need to release unrealistic goals or expectations and just be real. Like the more and more you are authentic, the right stuff will come your way. So now I'm going to move on to number 3, and I am just getting this message of attuning to the divine. Okay, so this one has a more deeper aspect to it. I feel for people who have chosen the number 3, I think that maybe either you are like a person who's like a believer, or you believe in energies, you believe in spirituality, you are somebody who maybe practices uh, a lot of affirmations, or somebody who's just very attuned to the divine. Like I feel somebody who's very spiritual, or somebody who's just very connected with the universe. You don't have to necessarily pray, or like you just have to be connected with the universe somehow. And I'm just feeling that you need to release your doubt and your fear. Like I feel that like whenever you are asking for something, or if you are setting a goal for yourself, I feel that you need to release timelines. You need to stop doubting your faith. Like that's the main message that I'm getting from this card. Like you need to stop doubting your faith, and you need to believe that whatever is happening in your life right now, the universe has a plan for you for sure. The universe is looking after you. The universe is going to send whatever you truly desire your way very soon. But it's just testing you a bit. Like I do feel like the universe is constantly testing you and is testing your faith, and you need to still like just be in tune with the divine. Like you just need to believe that whatever you truly wish for and whatever path that you're meant to take, the universe will guide you through it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this reading. Thank you so much for watching.